Hey guys, this is Swati and today I'm going to show you how to do makeup on mature skin. So my journey with makeup is pretty emotional because this is something that I picked it up from my mom. She loves to wear very dark wine colors and I'm going to recreate that look from the past. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the Fix Plus. It's gonna moisturize her skin. And after doing that, I'm going with the color corrector. This is an orange one. It's gonna help in concealing the dark eye circles. Foundation will not look gray in that area. Now I'm going to set it with the powder so that it doesn't crease because it's after all a creamy product. Going with the primer, this is from Colourbar, so it helps in the texture of the skin and the foundation goes really well and it sticks for a longer time. Now to the foundation, I am using Studio Fix Fluid from MAC in the shade NC42 and this is something that I bought from Nykaa, a silicone this blending thing, but seriously it doesn't work out. I tried doing it here and I felt that I was using a little more product than I would use normally. So that's a lot of product. So what I'm going to do is I am going to use a stippling brush. Stippling brush is basically made up of natural and animal hair, so it picks up the product really well and it buffs really well. So I am using the stippling brush from Zoeva and I'm keeping the product in my hand so that it warms up, taking all the time to blend everything out, which will make a huge difference. So with mature skin, just make sure you're not using too much product. And here I'm just filling the brows and setting the makeup with Studio Fix powder. Use a similar shade for contouring. So the face looks flat if you only use the foundation. So by contouring the face, it's actually giving the depth. I'm using Ablaze from Smashbox. This is the eyeshadow throwback, which is like a burnt orange color. I'm sticking to matte eyeshadow because I don't want to give emphasis on the texture of the eyelids. Moreover, if you have discoloration on the eyelid, it is nice to go with the orange. It works really nice as a transition color and it cancels out the blue dark circle. To open up the eyes, I'm using a little bit of shimmer and going with a blush. So the lip liner is from NYX and it's a brown lip liner just to have a guideline, and I'm using a liquid lipstick from MAC. To define the eye a little more, I'm using a brown shade from the palette and just going on the outer corners. And I'm using Fix Plus to set everything. Hope you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe guys, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.